Well, tonight is the 38th PMPC Star Awards, and we are going to do the makeup look for Miss Barbie Forteza. So as you all know, just powder lang. Just powder lang, sapat na. Nakapagkilay na ako kanina habang nasa biyahe, and this is my pink loose powder to just freshen up my skin, and I'm done. Ta-da! Ay, masalamin. So this is cotton candy. Yan. Dagdag tayo ng a little bit here. And of course, a little bit of the kilay. Akala ko ba tapos na? Pero meron pa siyang gustong gawin. So okay, so right now, maglalagay lang ako ng konti, a little bit of this. Ayan siya. And lip tint. This is a Sheer Touch from the Body Shop. Kita niyo yun? And some Tom Ford eyeshadow. Alam niyo naman, hindi na ako masyadong fan ng lashes mascara. So for me, just a little bit of shadow, gradient shadow dito sa dulo is enough for me. So it can make a lot of difference. And some Hourglass Ambient Palette. Ala, tinodo na. Akala ko ba loose powder lang. Mukhang tinodo niya na. And mag-glasses naman ako. So, laban na. Tara. And tara.